Hello, future crypto millionaires. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to do some quick technical analysis on Phoenix. And then at the end of this video, I'm going to give you my price prediction for 2025. But before we begin, make sure that you join my Telegram group. There is a link in the description below. It's free for now, but it's not going to be free forever. So make sure that you join as soon as possible. Because this is where I post all the trading setups and ideas that I am looking at every single day before I talk about them on YouTube. AI tokens, meme coins, gaming projects, RWAs, dipping, all that good stuff can be found in the group. Also, do me a solid and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the like button and let's get straight into it. As you see here on CoinMarketCap, Phoenix is currently ranked 443. The ticker is PHB. The price is at $1.84, 7.70% up for the day. The market cap is sitting right below 100 million, 96.80 million to be exact. And that means there is a lot of room to grow. If we take a look at the all-time chart, we see that this token was created on November of 2021. So it's been out there quite some time. Recently, on March, February of 2024, we saw a nice little pump when Phoenix reached its all-time high at $3.60. People took profits and the price action pulled back down. Before we look at the price action in detail on TradingView, let's take a look at what is Phoenix. Phoenix is a layer 1 and a layer 2 blockchain infrastructure, empowering intelligent Web3 application. So this is keyword number 1, Web3, focusing on the next generation of AI and privacy-enabled Web3 apps. So this is an AI token, guys. Second keyword, Phoenix is a crypto that operates on the BNB smart chain. So this is an AI token, and as you know, AI as a narrative has been outperforming the market, right behind meme coins. Meme coins and AI are the two hottest narratives in the crypto space right now. This is their website. You can find them at www.phoenix.global. Look what it says here. Decentralized AI elastic compute infrastructure. Train, deploy, and scale next generation AI enabled apps. You can also click on this here and stake your PHB. If you scroll down, you can see the investors and partners. And we see a few big names here, guys. Look at this. First of all, Binance. But on top of that, we have Alibaba Cloud, Tencent Cloud, Kinetic, Amazon, Chainlink, Tensor. All these are big names, guys. Alchemy Pay. The biggest ones for me are Alibaba, Amazon, Tencent, Binance, of course, and Tensor. So they have a few big partnerships, and this is their X account. You can find it at Phoenix_chain. Look what it says here. Decentralized AI elastic compute infrastructure. Smart auto-scaling network for AI. Home of Skynet, AlphaNet, and GenAI. You can find more about what Skynet is, AlphaNet, GenAI, if you look at their website. Look at this here. Skynet, AI insights, AI alpha, AI productivity. You can go through this on your own time. I'm not going to waste time here. This is the chart we are looking at. Phoenix USDT daily chart on Binance. As you see here on Binance, the all-time high occurred on March of 2024 when PHB reached the price of $4.15. Then people took profits. The price action started pulling back, forming this triangle pattern. So we have this lower ascending red trend line that has been acting as support. We have a nice bounce here, another bounce, another bounce. So we've been bouncing. We love bounces, right? So this is a key level of support, key trend line of support. And then we have this upper descending red trend line that has been acting as a resistance. Had a nice rejection here, a few other rejections here, a third one, and this fourth one, which is the most recent. So this is a very valid resistance trend line. As you see, the price action is inside the triangle pattern still. So as long as the price action is inside the pattern, we have to assume that it's going to continue inside the pattern until it breaks out. That's the theory. So we have to assume that the price action is going to keep moving inside the triangle pattern, or like this, or maybe something like this, until it breaks out. Now, there are two ideas here. This is going to break out to the downside, downwards, below this key trend line of support, or it's going to break out upwards. If the price action breaks below this key trend line of support, I would exit my positions. There is no reason in my view to hold the downtrend. So that's it. If this idea plays out and the price action breaks below the triangle pattern, I'm going to sell everything and go move on to the next trade. That's it. End of story. But if the price action breaks above the triangle pattern, I'd buy the breakout, scale in on the retest, and wait for a continuation move to the upside. This is the safest way we can trade this triangle. Buy the breakout of this. Because if the price action breaks above this red resistance trend line, and even better, comes back and gets a retest, a bounce on this, that's going to be a clear indication that the trend might be changing, that we have broken up out of this downtrend that we've been moving in. And we are in the beginning of an uptrend, especially if we see ideas, for example, like a low here and a higher low or something like that. That's going to be pretty bullish, a higher low retesting this triangle pattern. Now, if this idea plays out, I have a few targets here on the chart for you. These are Fibonacci levels of support and resistance. As you see here, the first one is located at $2.13. So if the price action breaks above the triangle and above this key level of resistance at $2.13 and stays above it, something like this, break above the triangle, break above this key level of resistance, and maybe we get a retest and we stay above it. That's going to be pretty bullish, guys. Breaking both above the triangle and above this level and staying above this is going to be pretty bullish, and this is going to be the safest way that we can trade this. So if we manage to get an entry while we're breaking above this level of $2.13, the measured move from here to the next level at $2.52, that's already an 18% move. The next target is located at $2.90, and the measured move is going to be a 36% move. And the last target that I have here on the chart is located at $3.45. And that's going to be over a 60% move, 61% move. Oh no, I'm sorry, we have another target here on the chart, which is basically the all-time high. That's located at $4.15. And the measured move from this Fibonacci level at $2.13 to the all-time high, it's almost a 100% move, guys, 94%. Now, for those of you who want to trade this in a more aggressive manner, you might want to consider buying in if the price action pulls back to this key trend line of support. And we have a Fibonacci support level here that's located at $1.66 that I expect the price action to bounce here. If we break below this, things turn bearish. But if we see a small pullback, I expect the price action to bounce here. So this might be a very nice buying opportunity. If the price action pulls back to this Fibonacci level of $1.66, you see that from here to the first target at $2.13, that's already a 28% move. If we zoom out and we take the measured move from this pullback, reaching this support level of $1.66, from here all the way up to this all-time high, that's a measured move of 150% approximately. So to sum up, there are three ideas going on. Or the price action breaks below the triangle, and this is the most bearish case. If you have a position open, I would exit my positions, all my positions. If the price action breaks below this triangle, I just move on to the next token, next trade, that's it. End of story. The next idea is a pullback on this support, where we can buy as close as we can above this trend line of support, and basically front run the breakout above the triangle. This is a very nice buying opportunity, however, is a little bit riskier than the next idea, which is the price breaking above this triangle. This is the safest way you can trade this. Break of trend, breaking above the triangle, preferably breaking above this Fibonacci level of $2.13 at the same time, maybe getting a retest of this and a continuation move to the upside, hitting the rest of the targets. Now, what I like to do is, if either I enter here or here, let's say that I have $1,000 to invest, right? First of all, I don't like to buy all in with one click. But if I was going to invest in this, I would buy like $100 on the breakout, maybe $200 on the retest. But then when the price action moves up here or here, I would take these $100 and $200 that I put in, put them on the side, and continue trading with profits. This is how you stay ahead of the curve, guys. Also, make sure that you set up your stop losses. If you enter here, you set up a stop loss below the triangle. If you enter on the breakout above the triangle pattern, you set up a stop loss inside the triangle pattern somewhere. And as the price action keeps moving up and up, breaking the Fibonacci levels, move your stop loss higher and higher each and every time, just in case the price action decides to come back down. So you can keep your profits, guys. If you can take the pullback, just take your profits out, exit your position, and that's it. You're in profit. There is always going to be another opportunity in crypto. Never FOMO. Okay, now I'm going to give you my price prediction. Since Phoenix has a market cap that's below 100 million, I think that this token, with these big partnerships that they have, Amazon, Alibaba, that kind of stuff, can easily pull a 10x move during this upcoming bull run of 2025. If Phoenix pulls a 10x move, that's going to take us to the price of $18.30 approximately. At this price level, the market cap is going to have a $962 million valuation. So this is a 10x move with a market cap of 962 million. 1 billion, let's say. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? What's your price prediction for Phoenix for 2025? Do you think that Phoenix can pull a 10x move? Or that's too high? Or it's too low for you? That's all I had for you today, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and hit the bell icon because I'm going to give you updated videos with updated price predictions on this in the coming days, weeks, and months, depending on how the crypto market is moving, depending on how Phoenix is performing. So I'm going to be able, since I'm going to have more data, to give you more accurate price predictions. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Trade carefully.